Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the live demonstration test how you can post a comment on YouTube videos. So I have basically running my Python script. I have developed for my client, but I would like to show you how it works. So first I'm going to select the keyword. For example, I'm choosing Chat GPT. Oh, sorry, I'm choosing DeepSeek instead of ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm gonna run this script, and I want to post. This video will be not more than 10 minutes, so I said I want to post 20 comments. Okay, DeepSeek. So let's. The comment will be run from through this file. This is the I have basically all file structure TikTok comments. So these are the comments, but I will generate the comments according to my need. So I'm gonna go to the DeepSeek. Sorry, instead of ChatGPT, DeepSeek is now becoming the most popular application right now, and we're gonna run this. Wait a minute. Can you please generate at least 20 motivational comments related to AI? Wait and watch. So here are the comments. In the live demo, my ultimate way to show you that how I do the stuff. So this is not a normal video. This video take a longer time, a little bit longer time. So I'm gonna run this, and inshallah, with the future, with the passage of the time, I will post more and more content onto my YouTube channel to ensure you that I am a guy who was capable to doing things for you. Okay, so we're gonna copy and we're gonna paste this, and oh man, I think I have to delete this first. Let me yes, yes, I'm gonna run. Okay, okay, Control H. Say removing dot symbol. Yes, dot symbol also remove. So, and now I'm gonna basically want to run a regular expression. Okay, so regular expression is required to remove this sort of numbering. So can you please suggest me a regular, just me, how to remove numbering from a text file in VS Code through regex. I am showing you each stuff from creating a document and from running a file. So okay, so it shows me the I want to remove the individual digits. I want to remove for example, okay, so wait a minute, Control X, and Yes, we got it. Okay, and me, yes. Oh, sorry, I don't think so. Okay, forget about this. We're gonna strip this. Okay, so the comment was almost ready, and now I'm gonna run this. So actually, I don't have a premium package for Bandicam. I am running it's allow me only 10 minutes video. So I'm gonna re-record my screen. Yes. So now I'm gonna run this, run the script, and I'm using this keyword DeepSeek, and it will read the comments from this file. TikTok comments. There are many bots I have available. Don't worry. With the passage of time, I will show you more live demonstration video how you can post. So this time we're gonna post the comment from post comment on through on TikTok. Uh, Videos are associated with on DeepSeek. I am from Pakistan, and now currently, when I say DeepSeek, it shows me a lot of a content. Yes, so there are many influencers from Pakistan who are creating content. Some of them from US, America, whatever it is. So we will now gonna run this. Okay, so here is it. And keep in mind, this is not an API, it's just a normal bot, but I will show you the whole demonstration stuff. We're gonna run this. Okay, start. I've already opened, and leave the mouse cursor, and now you will see. It posts comment, like the video, and this process carry on. Yes. This bot is basically using image recognition mechanism, and through image recognition it works. Sometimes my user come and say he want fast comment. Okay, you basically, you guys want fast comments, no problem, but keep in mind this is not any kind of API. When you're simply automating the thing, when you're automating mm, any kind of website without API, so there are some pros and there are some cons. Okay, it doesn't work according to sometimes it don't work on your desire. Maybe you want fast command, 1000 command, 2000 commands. I think this is not a case, because TikTok is not a child. Their server are much smarter. They have invested a lot in their security, in their platform transparency. So it was so difficult to develop such thing without a proper support, without a proper channel, without any kind of paid APIs. So I hope you guys understand what I am trying to what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. I have chooses the random stuff. Where I think posting comments, same comments again and again, and posting same comments maybe might be your profile may got suspended or it got red flagged by TikTok. So it was very important, very important to understand. We cannot use the same comments again and again. Okay, so this video might get a little bit boring, but I think I explain all my required stuff. Okay, I think. Maybe we are on the finishing line. I want to show you the log file. I want the bot should complete their steps. and complete execution of the bot. Maybe it was an 17th or 18th comment, I think so. Yes, it finished and it's work, and here are the logs. So inside the logs, you see every, wait a minute, let me check. Yes, you see every comment. You see every comment was placed on TikTok video. Okay, so the comment, so it shows me total 20 comments we successfully post in a TikTok in a very maybe long time or short time. It is up to my users. I don't know if they think it was satisfying or not. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this second live demonstration video onto my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and also kindly support me on Patreon. Okay.